Hello, dear Taurus. Hope you guys are doing really well and Happy New Year to you guys. So, this is a general love reading for you guys, Taurus. If it resonates with you, watch till the end. I'll give you the guidance and the outcome as well. If it doesn't, please leave it what I can say. I will pick the energy of your partner first, then I will see your energies and the cumulative energy and the cumulative outcome, we can say. So, let's quickly see. So the overall energy for you in January is Six of Swords. So what Six of Swords suggests is you are moving towards calmer water, peaceful resolution is coming to you, peaceful relationship is coming to you. If there were some kind of conflicts or some kind of battles or quarrels going on, fighting going on in your relationship with a particular person, then your relationship is going to be improved. In January 2021, you will find a peaceful resolution or a solution to this problem, okay? So what your person's energy is in January 2021, your person is celebrating this relationship. He's happy, he's in a joyous mood. He is feeling like, yes, this is what I want from life or from this particular relationship. They basically want to enjoy with you. They basically want to celebrate with you, celebrate with other friends as well. So he is in kind of joyous mood, happy mood, and kind of what I can say is celebration mode, because this is a new year. So he might be celebrating with the other person as well. This can also mean that a third party situation is there, that a person apart from you is also there, but he is, I think so, he's more interested in you than the other person. So what are you guys celebrating? Let's see quickly, okay? So they see you as the Justice card. So they see you in this energy. They want you to justice with this relationship or with this particular bonding. They they see you as the Justice card. So they see you as that you are doing the right thing in this in this relationship. I'm sorry for the fumbling of the words. So they see you as a Justice card. So they feel like you are doing justice with with this particular relationship, and you are on that mode that you will be able to take decisions, okay? This is how they see you. And what they feel about this particular relationship, they are stuck, Taurus. They are kind of feeling like stuck in this relationship. They feel like they don't want it, but this is happening. This is happening like because the universe wanted it to happen, because this is destined to happen, because this is something that the universe wants you guys to do, okay? So they are feeling like to walk away from this relationship. They are feeling like they don't want it, okay? But they are anyhow stuck in this relationship. They are not able to move. They are not able to go right or left. They are just stuck in this particular relationship. They feel like they are stuck in this relationship. But let's see what he wants from this relationship. This is what he is feeling right now for this relationship. What is wanting is King of Pentacles energy is there. So they want stability. They want happiness. They want financial freedom. What they want is they want to grow their finances and grow their stability first. Then they want to come back to you, maybe, because they are not right now in the mood of commitment or stability or kind of energy that is going to make you like lovey-dovey and fairy tale kind of things. No, not at all. They are feeling like stability and financial health is most important than the relationship right now. So this is what they are feeling, thinking about this relationship right now. And the outcome is the Ten of Pentacles. Can you see the family here? The outcome will be a very stable, very happy and financially well relationship. So what I can feel is you and your partner both are right now focused on the financial matters in your life, on your career right now. This is what is happening with you guys. But basically your partner is so much focused on wealth building and his finances first. Then he wants you to come back to his life, maybe. But right now he's not in the commitment mode. Right now I can see that there is some kind of third party situation as well. But justice will be served. You will get justice soon, okay? Now come to your energy. You are feeling like the Knight of Swords. You are ready to take actions. You are in a very rushy energy. You feel like I just want to do that also. I just want to do this also. You are not thinking about this relationship. You are not being practical. You are just rushing towards this particular relationship. I don't know what the hurry is, but you are feeling like rushing things into something is going to help you. But trust me, it is not going to help you. This is your energy, this is what you are feeling right now, okay? And what you are seeing your partner as conflict. This is the 5 of Wands. So you are feeling that your partner is constantly nagging, quarreling, fighting with you without any reason. There's a conflicting energy towards them. Maybe they are not happy, maybe they are not ready to commit. As I told you, they are not ready to commit as of now, because they want financial stability first, and maybe there is third party situation as well, and they want to deal with that. So they are walking away from the third party situation. They are coming to you, but this will take some time, Taurus. You have to be little patient, because your energy is kind of energy that is rushing towards this relationship to work out, but please don't do that, okay? So you are feeling like your partner is in conflicting energy. They are not doing well with this particular relationship. They are not giving you the energy or the time or the love that you deserve. This is what is happening with you guys right now, okay? So how you see this relationship, what you feel about this relationship is the Magician. You are manifesting something with this particular person, Taurus. Trust me, you are manifesting. I am not saying you are manifesting like you are doing the scripting thing or you are doing something like that. Some of you might be doing that as well, but the universe is seeing you, the universe is watching over you. So you are manifesting this particular relationship, and this manifestation will work out for sure. Keep manifesting. If you are feeling like manifesting, keep manifesting. You are the Magician. You can create your destiny yourself, but you have to be patient, okay? Then what you want from this relationship, you want patience, you want balance in this relationship, you want happiness from this relationship. Can you see the lady pouring down the water and juggling the water up and down? So you want a relationship with stability, happiness, and you want this relationship to work out anyhow. But this is not going to happen as of now. You have to be patient, Taurus. You have to be really patient if you want this particular relationship to work out, okay? And the outcome or the energy for you guys will be the 9 of Wands. You will feel like hurt, you will feel like trapped, you will feel like that you're trapped in your own jail. You are not able to come out of this situation, but you are standing your own ground. No matter how hurt you are feeling, you are standing your own ground. You are taking your stand. If you know what you want, Taurus, you know what you want, and you are taking a stand for yourself. That is a good thing, okay? So you are taking a stand for yourself. Your partner is right now focused on wealth development, and you are focused on your partner, on working out on this relationship right now, but somehow the energy is kind of stuck, okay? So let's see what will be the cumulative outcome for you guys, okay? Let's see what will be the cumulative outcome for you guys, for Taurus and his person. Outcome for Taurus and his person's relationship. Outcome for Taurus and his person's relationship, please. Outcome for Taurus and his person in mind, please. Yeah. Okay. Standing your ground, don't take too much burden, and Ace of Cups energy is there. So the universe wants you to say, both of you, please stand your ground, please take your ground, Taurus. If you are feeling like left out, please take your stand, and if you want to leave, just leave. If this particular relationship or this person is not giving you what you want from this relationship, either you have to take a stand that you will make it work out anyhow. You are already manifesting this relationship, Taurus, by the way. So if you are taking that stand that you are manifesting it, just take that stand of yours and don't move. Don't rush into anything, okay? If you are going to rush, you will feel like 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands is a completion energy. So this is kind of energy that you both will feel like a burden in this relationship. If you're feeling burdened in a relationship, that is not a happy relationship, that is not a healthy relationship. So both of you have to take your own stand. If he is into money making and if he is moving away from particular situation, please give him some time, Taurus. This is what is for you guys. And if you are feeling burdened, if you are feeling like this is not happening, this is not working out, please don't rush into anything. Please don't rush to leave. Please don't rush to stay. Please don't rush to make decisions for please don't pressurize your partner as well to make any kind of decision right now, because if you will if you will be patient, if you will be, you know, in the energy of not rushing things into anything, then the ace of cups energy is there. So finally your partner will start developing feelings for you. He will start opening up with you if you are going to be patient with him, if you are going to help him to come out of this situation in which he is feeling like a particular trapped or something like that. Okay, so you have to be little patient, Taurus, for this relationship to work out. Okay, patience will play the game. Patience will give you what you want in this relationship. Okay, I get a little overwhelmed whenever I see this kind of readings, because I'm a Taurus myself and I have to maybe I'll also do this. This is for people who are already in a relationship, right, or who are thinking about a particular person. So if it does resonate with you, so please, patience is the game right now. Don't rush into anything, don't pressurize your partner, and if you want it to work out, keep manifesting. It will eventually work out in your favor. Okay, Taurus, so that's it for you guys, Taurus, and I hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, do comment in the comment section. Love you so much, and happy new year. God bless you. Namaste. Love from India.